All right, welcome everyone. Monday, February 6th. Here we go. Yeah, it should be a really good week. We had a lot of fun last week. I'm sure we'll talk about some of that as we go in, but we can kind of just jump right in. Before we jump there though, I saw the RFC for Euler is up. Great job, guys. So on that though, I think there's a comment. Who's gonna respond? Do you want to respond, Ryan? Okay. And then I think you can also, like I just did it, you can go make an account on their governance and go vote and say yes. So whoever's watching this, go make an account and go vote yes. Just make it look popular. Go give it a thumbs up to the you can give a little heart on the governance. I'm sure most of you have used forums before, but yeah, like just go give it a little heart, go vote yes. Show some support for Tellor over there. And Euler's are really cool projects too. So, if you want to go try it out, hopefully you guys can do that as well. So, all right. Tally, we'll start with you.
Okay. I finished repairing the monitor and the automatic updates to the monitor through GitHub Actions. And I'm working on planning the auto disputer. And I have some requested changes to my last disputable values monitor pull request.
You have questions?
What? No, requested changes.
Requested. Okay. So who's that? Akram or Owen or somebody?
No, it was Owen requested changes.
Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah, very nice. Also, Tally, whatever happened with the Zodiac thing? Did we ever finish those changes? Push anything to their front end?
I think Tim was working on that at the last part.
Cool. We can wait.
Yeah. Sorry, what'd you say?
We can wait for him. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, by the way, have we heard from Swing By? That's the protocol that was going to use us for their governance piece. I know we had a call with them. I think I did and somebody else, but have we heard from Mike or Ryan? Do you know? No. Okay, we can reach back to them. They were still a ways away from launching with that kind of governance edition anyway, but we can see what they need. Owen, how's things?
Things are good. I'm going to be working on the parity stuff. Been kind of digging more into their cross consensus messaging formats and
thoughts.
That it's actually, I thought it was going to be way more complex, like to understand, because there's an entire like new lexicon, but seems chill.
Cool.
So, and it helps that they gave us a 54-page spec to go through.
Yeah.
And then I have when I don't have any parity demands, I'll do the EVM call stuff and the Tellor additional security things. We have a meeting. I don't know what our meeting is about this week, Brenda, but
we'll find it.
Okay.
We'll probably talk about some of the parity stuff. So yes, for people that don't know, we'll probably be moving forward here. We kind of are moving forward here with the parity stuff. Hopefully we'll be doing a little Oracle stuff there. We'll be posting in their governance forum to get a grant. It'll be similar to the whole Euler thing as far as the forum post. It'll have kind of some of the specs of how it's going to be different than normal Tellor. So we'll post it when we have it for the community members. Go give it a thumbs up, get us some money. But also, yeah, parity or Polkadot, that whatever they call their whole ecosystem. It's a super cool design. So Owen's going to be kind of leading some of the efforts there to build it. And who knows, maybe we can test some stuff out there and bring it over. It'll be fun. So Akram.
Good morning. I'm working on the Cadena stuff. I found an error on one of the modules, so I fixed it, added more tests, added tests for the AutoBank module. I want to add 2 more tests, and then after that, I'll be working on the Python software to help with the reporting on the modules. So that's what I'm doing.
Nice. And then Ryan.
Yeah, I'm going to dive in head first to the this new reporter page front end that we're going to start, that we want to have for like one-off reports. So you don't have to necessarily be a savvy Telliot user if you just want to do a one-time report. So some new concepts for me to try to grapple here, but got some good components for that websites that exist already. So should be a fun project.
You use the word component. You're like, yeah. You're a React dev already, Ryan. This is Spotty.
I'm going to be working on more content, probably, hopefully video content. We're going to be helping people learn how to help us dispute. In case, you know, we also have the auto disputer on the way. We're going to talk about what happened last week later.
Did you get a Polygon node up?
No, what? No,
No.
That's on the back burner.
It's on the back burner. Okay. Spotty's gonna be one of the few people in the world probably running a Polygon node.
I had a Mumbai node for a while,
Okay.
which was, but the only difference is Polygon node needs a lot more storage. So
What's a Polygon node need?
2 terabytes at least.
Jeez.
The size of the chain is, the size of the data is 2 terabytes, so you need like a bigger drive than that.
Yeah. Cool. All right. And yeah, Mike, anything?
While we're talking about new content, I don't know specifically for you, Spuddy, but it might be for Tim. When we did the one-stop doc, the hackathon document review last week, one of the things that is on the to-do list between now and December is to do a new video tutorial, like a refresh on the one that Tally did last, which was our most recent one for a hackathon. One that is focused on the numeric API response as an example, and using the spot price query type as well. Basically the things that we want the hackers to use specifically at this December. So just refreshing that.
Yeah, we should make sure we test that, the API responses. Like go ping like 5 or 10 APIs just to make sure it works. Just that way. Yeah, because people will use that a lot.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're gonna that was in the to-do, is once we get that going, maybe taking a couple people, maybe Dan, you could run through the hacker document and try to like literally get it all up and running and basically submit a small example project for the hackathon.
All right. Dan, how was the first week?
Great. Yeah, I'm picking up some speed with Solidity. I'll be done with the first chunk of courses on beginner to intermediate smart contracts today.
Cool. Yeah, I'll reach out to you later today. That's something else.
Did you meet with everybody on the team?
Yep.
Nice.
Code for Arena next. Chop right in.
Yeah, well, we'll see if we'll see how fast he can go from like crypto zombies to like acing ether not, and he'll be a security expert here. I think maybe next, like, so Dan's a math tutor too, so like I think your next homework's gonna be looking up AMM math and teaching the team.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm gonna send you some.
Like it.
You're gonna teach us all like actually AMM math, like not like the formula. Like I want to know, like I want to actually know how it works. So
Okay.
yeah. So, and then we'll all be experts, and then it'll be good. So, do you know how it works?
Just like ZK cryptography math.
Well, that's next. After he learns AMM math, then he's gonna teach us elliptic curves. So. Nice little learning curve. Brenda, you need anything? questions?
Muted.
Yes, we just had the one in the deep questions channel regarding Bonk DAO. So is the recent issue with Bonk a carry on vulnerability or similar to what happened with Liquidity? And then they link to the Tellor issue and fix on the Liquidity blog.
I think so. So we don't actually know because I don't think we've seen their code, but what had happened to Liquidity was they had implemented us without any delay. So basically you could update the price and then read it instantly. The problem with that is there's no time for disputes. So they identified that and we had fixed that for them. What had happened with Bonk DAO, and it wasn't even that Liquidity luckily wasn't attacked because they also used Chainlink as well. So you had some protection in there as far as actually just easily breaking it. And what happened with Bonk DAO though is it looks like they forked an old version. They removed Chainlink because Chainlink wouldn't work for this price. And then they had this vulnerability in there and somebody could easily update the price, drain their whole system all within one block. And yeah, it's just, it was really sort of unfortunate, and our condolences to the Bonk DAO team, and hopefully we can work with them on fixing it. So
yeah, and the fix was just the delay, so it's not like a big deal.
Yeah, literally any delay, kind of like we use 15 minutes now with Liquidity, would have 100% fixed the problem. So yeah, so hopefully we'll work with them on fixing it, and we can have something a little bit more secure.
At this time, we haven't talked to them at all. Like Bonk DAO has not contacted us for help.
Yeah,
and they never did in the first place. So
part of the issue, yes.
And yeah.
Anyway, but yeah, anything else? No? Cool. Well, thanks everyone, and yeah, we'll talk to you guys next week.